Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to solve one problem from the polynomials only. So here, before I start, once again I would like to request every one of you to please share, subscribe and like my channel. And here I am giving you my mail ID madanbelluri@gmail.com. This is my mail ID. Those who are interested for online tuitions, please mail it and get the required information. Okay. So now, first this problem, P of S given solution given P of S is equals to 3s square minus 6s plus 4, and what are the zeros? Given zeros is equals to alpha comma beta. Now sum of zeros, so sum of zeros is equals to alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. So here 3s square minus 6s plus 4 is equals to ax square plus bx plus c. So here a is equals to 3, b is equals to minus 6, c is equals to 4. Okay, so minus b by a minus of minus 6 by 3, 6 by 3, that is 2. Then product of zeros is equals to alpha beta, that is c by a is equals to, c is here 4 by 3. Okay, now let us take this expression alpha by beta plus beta by alpha plus 2 into 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 3 alpha beta. Now first let us take this separately and let us take this one separately, so that simplification will be very easy for us. So alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. So now LCM will be what here? Alpha beta, and this one it will be alpha into alpha plus beta into beta is equals to alpha square plus beta square by alpha beta. So alpha square plus beta square is nothing but alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta by alpha beta. We are applying the formula a square plus b square is equals to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Okay, so now here what is alpha plus beta? Let us take this expression alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta by alpha beta is equals to, by 2 alpha beta by alpha beta is equal to alpha plus beta whole square, that is 2 square minus 2 into alpha beta, it is 4 by 3 by alpha beta, 4 by 3. So 2 square is 4 minus 2 4s are 8 by 3 by 4 by 3. Now 4 is nothing but 4 by 1. LCM for 1 and 3 if you take, it is 3 1s are, and 1 will be as it is. So LCM will be 3. In one table, where do we get 3? 3 times. So 4 into 3 minus 8 into 1 by 4 by 3. Get this 3 here. So 4 3s are 12 minus 8 by get this 3 to the numerator and 4 to the denominator by 3 into 4 into 3. So 3 and 3 cancel, 12 minus 8, it is 4, 4 by 4, it is 1. Okay, see, when we are doing this type of problems, for us it looks as if it is very complicated. But once if we start doing and do it slowly, so that when we come to the conclusion, we feel that it is very easy. The only thing is, while solving the toughest problems, we need to show lot of patience and concentration. Okay, so here it is 1. Now 2 into 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta is equals to 2 into LCM alpha beta, and here in the numerator you will get beta and here it is alpha. So 2 into alpha plus beta, again it is 2 by alpha beta, it is 4 by 3. So get this 3 to the numerator. So what do we get? 2 into 3 by 4. 2 2s are 4 and this 4 will get cancelled. So it is 3. Okay. So this total, this value is 1 and this value it is 3, and 3 into alpha beta will, on substituting we will get it. So here once again now take this entire equation or expression, alpha by beta plus beta by alpha plus 2 into 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 3 alpha beta. So that is equals to alpha by beta plus beta by alpha, it is 1 plus 2 into, this total it is 3 plus 3 into alpha beta is 4 by 3. 3 and 3 will get cancelled. 1 plus 3 plus 4, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 4, 8. So therefore alpha by beta plus beta by alpha plus 2 into 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 3 alpha beta is equals to 8. Thank you. And most important thing is, please wear mask, sanitize your hands, maintain social distance. Life is very precious. Thank you. God bless you all. Thank you.